Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you what I feed my captain, and that's not an everyday meal what I give him. I give him on a occasional basis, or you can say like at least twice a week, just to make sure that he gets all the nutrition on point. And let me tell you, why I'm making this video, because there have been a lot of people who have been asking me regularly that what do I feed captain. So I'm here today. I'm going to make some good video for you
and make some good recipe to you, and you can try for your dog. They will love it, I'm sure. Just to make sure that you get all of it.
how I do it, right? Chop it up in smalls.
So that you'll be able to eat it properly. Okay? No need to, make some shape. Some carrots. Some carrots there.
There you go.
So you're doing it. And no, you going. That's lovely.
No, you're not liking it?
Carrots, Captain? What's wrong? Why not eating?
Can you pause it for a bit?
Dogs really,
It's really good for the dogs. It's healthy.
so you just take the seeds away from here. Right.
Keep these to the side. Go to the corner.
These three should be good enough for him. Put it off like that.
Next comes the meaty part of it. Let me put the vegetables in one of the plates just to keep it aside. There you go. Want some broccoli, Captain? Come.
Come, sit. Good, what? That's okay. And look.
Look how excited he's getting. Look at him. Oh boy, no. That's not, I'm not going to give you raw today. Come on, sit there. So, there you go.
Wait.
And there, you get some raw chicken. We really don't like to waste meat, basically protein. So, एक piece में थोड़ा सा. Captain, you want some chicken? You want some chicken? Go for it. Have it, bud. Don't tell me why am I feeding him raw? It's okay, it's fine. He can digest everything, and he is perfectly fine to eat raw meat, right? So
I know what I feed my dog. Huh? That's for your dinner, boy. That's for your dinner. That's for your dinner.
comes some liver, chicken liver, which is good, good for the health of the dog. So chicken ke saath mein we'll give him some small pieces of liver, just to have a balanced nutrition, Some hearts. There you go. Small pieces. And we are ready to go. And the last part is we've got some bones. That's basically, mutton feet, goat feet, mutton feet chopped into pieces. We're not giving him raw today. We're giving him a cooked one, just to make sure that he gets all the nutrition from the broth of this bones, right? And he's gonna get some chicken, vegetables, and then some added rice, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start
This stuff, right? Just give me 1 moment. I'm going to add some rice. Pause.
Then comes
Half cup of rice.
Looks a really good quality rice, I think.
Mix it a bit so that it doesn't
the food is ready, but it's way too hot. Okay, it's way too hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in his bowl and let it cool. Okay, so we're gonna put this. All veggies to feed, and whatever we have cooked today looks very delicious. I'm sure Captain's gonna love it. So as you can see, he's so little disciplined, right? The food is here, it's kept here, and there's no response from him. Do you think he doesn't like it? Do you think he doesn't like it? He definitely loves it. He's gonna love it. The only thing is, he's waiting for my command. He's waiting for me to tell him to eat. There he goes. See? It's a perfect meal. Perfect meal for him. He's loving it. He's gonna take time to finish his meal. So, and if you feel that the meal was good and the recipe was good, please do try it out yourself for your dog, and please let me know how your dog responded. Did they like it or not? Yeah, it will be really helpful for me to make more recipes for you and share more videos. Right? Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.